Okay. So, kailan ho ba linibing yung mag-ama?
Hindi ko na po tanda yung date po, pero nung July din po.
Okay. Based on newspaper reports, ay inimbestigahan daw po ito ng local PNP of Pasay. Do we have them now? Can you please...
Madam Chair, just before we move to the PNP, can I just ask if the team rub out is here? The team that investigated for the CHR.
No, they're not here.
How
at the
about the
moment.
director, Gilbert Boycer?
Yes, he's here, of CHR. Yes.
One question, please, Madam Chair.
Okay.
Just because I don't want the PNP to influence his answer. Sir,
Okay.
sir, in-interview niyo po yung mga...
Paki-administer din po ng oath ni Director Boycer of CHR NCR in charge of the investigation of this
Raise your right
particular
hand, please.
incident
Repeat
by the
after me.
CHR.
I state your name, do solemnly swear
Do solemnly swear
to tell the truth, nothing but the truth
to
in this
tell
entire
the truth,
proceeding.
nothing but the
So help
truth
me
in
God.
this proceeding. So help me God.
Madam Chair, of course, every life is sacred, so nakikiramay kami dun sa mga namatayan.
Yes,
sir, Director, we have a copy of the report. So,
Report.
ito pong memorandum for Attorney Gilbert Boycer from Team Rub Out CHR NCR case 2016-0426 July 19, 2016, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dito, in-interview ng Team Rub Out yung pamilya ng biktima.
Yes, sir.
In-interview ba nila yung mga polis?
Yeah, with all due, sir, the members
Sir,
of this
it's
team,
answerable.
they are here, sir, to answer that.
Yeah, but answerable
Yes
ba yes
or
or
no?
no? Ikaw yung director eh. So,
Para mabilis lang po tayo.
Yes, actually, they submitted a counter affidavit.
no,
The three.
No, sir. Did they interview the police or not?
Yes, they did, sir.
Okay. Bakit wala sa report?
The interview, I think,
Hindi, ang nakalagay sa report, pagdating sa mga biktima, first person, in-interview nila. Pagdating sa police, based on spot report. Kaya yung conclusions, hindi namin ma-take kasi hindi namin ma-assess because wala rin silang assessment.
the report, I was told, sir, that they went, but these police were not around.
O is kakasabi nyo lang eh, in-interview nyo eh. Ngayon, sasabihin.
No. Sinapi na po namin, sir, ang...
So, hindi nyo in-interview?
They were not interviewed because they were not around.
Yes,
However,
sir.
they were...
I'm not accusing you of anything.
Yeah, no,
Ang tanong ko lang, sir, in-interview nyo ba? Sabi nyo, oo. Nung sinabi ko, bakit wala dito? Because they weren't around. Kaya para mamaya, matanong ko naman sa PNP na kapag kayo sinupina, bakit hindi pumupunta? But, you know, parang one-sided to kung ganon. So, ba't nyo hindi nilagay dito, sir?
Yes,
Na
sir.
they were subpoenaed but they did not come.
No, they come, sir. Actually, that report, they were not interviewed when that report was submitted. But after that report, this police came to the office and submitted a counter affidavit.
So
That is
don't
why
you
it was
think,
not-
sir, it is relevant for this committee who is investigating now to
Yes,
be
sir.
given that before we ask our questions?
We will do that, sir.
Wag nyo naman kaming pag-imbestigahin dito, tapos outdated na yung hawak namin.
Noted.
No.
We
Okay,
will just
thank you,
ask the
Madam Chair.
CHR, Senator Alan. So please provide
Yes, we will
the
do.
senators
We will
with a
do, ma'am.
copy of whatever is the updated report of CHR NCR. Thank you for pointing that out,
Thank you.
Senator Cayetano.